Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? This is the second Saturday of the month and I am here with the Julie Nutting Stamp 2020 Celebration collab. And if you check in the box below, you will see the group of collaborators, myself, Wendy, Terry, Dee, and Tanya, all in this collab together, and I will have their links below. And I'm sorry, and Tina, we added Tina, I bet. And so their links will be in the box below. So please check out all their channels. I guarantee you will be inspired. We will be having a surprise person. We'll be giving away giveaways and different things. So play along with us. Hopefully you pull out your stamps and you'll be inspired to do something. So this month our challenge was to all use this one right here, which is Emma. Emma Lou. So that is her name right there, and that is the doll stamp. So she is, this one says when I grow up and plain dress up. So if you see her, she has on, you can say like her mother's shoes. There's a big hat, a purse, a doll, and 2 word stamps, and a bow. So and that is the main stamp. In addition to that, I use this hat off of this one, and all 3 of those pieces off of that one. And then I used this paper that I got from Tuesday Morning, which is upside down because I put it in wrong. Vive Paper Company 50 Shades kit. It was $2.99, and it was basically the grays and gray and white tones. And I got it specifically to use it for background paper for different stuff. Then I also watched Miss D's video that she did. Oh my gosh, and she had showed how she made the cake plates. And I told her, I said, I'm copying that. I guess I just want to play with it. So I used some dollar store felt. I wanted to try the felt from the Dollar Tree as well. But this is what I did, so I portioned off Fussy Cut. So this is the first one, and I used my Cricut. It says Let's Play Dress Up doily, and this is the material that I have on this dress is from the Dollar Tree. Not the squares for the quilting, but the longer roll. There's the same long roll like the felt. That they have the bundles of material, so I decided I wanted to try the material, so I cut that out in the material, glued her down, and then the little doll right here is out of felt. This is out some glitter paper I had in my stock, my stock, and then I just colored those with my Special Noir as well as the dolls, and I rolled these out. I cut these out of my Cricut, and then I rolled them up. So that is my first one, and then I outlined the edge with a black Special Noir or gray one. No, it was black. And I added a doily. So that, of course, I will have pictures on my IG, DaretoBeCreative 1. So I ended up making 3. So that one's been made with material, and then this one was made with felt. So again, the doll is felt, and her dress and the bow and the purse is out of felt. It's the Dollar Tree felt, which is okay. It's hard to cut it. I mean, you can fussy cut with your scissors, but like cutting out the purse for the hole for the purse was a little challenging. It wasn't as, I guess, coarse, stiff as you would get like regular felt, but it was still manageable. But I probably would get some from Walmart or Michael's next time. But anyway, I just wanted to add a little bit of texture on the doll. And this one says, Let's Play Dress Up. And again, those hand rolled flowers. And everything was used with the Spectral Noir. And of course I put the doily behind that as well. And then last but not least, this one that says Let's Play Dress Up. And again, she has on the felt dress, and then she has the glittery shoes and purse and a couple outfits there. So just 3 takes, just playing around. Want to do that. I am going to do some other ones. These I wanted to just kind of make them simple, and then I think the next ones I want to try maybe more of a mixed media one. I'm not sure, but anyway, it was fun, and I crafted along with my buddies from my area. We do our virtual Zoom, and so they are my 3 that I made. And so hopefully you're inspired. Hopefully you like them. I love them. I think they turn out really cute and fun, and I really had a ball making them. And hopefully you would try the same. So again, this is just one of those, I'll put my nameplate on the back, which is one of those 3-pack for I think $2.99 from Michael's or Walmart. So they both have them for the same price. And you can just decorate it, paint it. You can do all kinds of stuff. on it, so you don't limit yourself. But anyway, so that's what I did for Miss Emma Lou, and I was inspired by the stamp because she has those big shoes on and she wants to play dress up, and she has a little doll baby. And again, most girls had the opportunity to want to do that, put on some lipstick, and you know, that makes us, a lot of us, the little girly girl, and especially those shoes. That's why I became a shoeaholic because of that. So dressing up. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Check out the ladies below, and you guys have a wonderful day, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.